will lose it. I'm pretty sure you have to leave it here.
No,
I'm not. I don't.
No, I'll talk to you. If I just lost one of them, then don't let me bring it in.
We don't want to lose one either, so leave it here.
No, Mommy.
Good morning, guys. Today is Thursday. TGIT, thank God it's Thursday. Ako ay umiinom ng lemon and honey kasi wala akong panglasa. Nung ilang araw pa. I don't know, Monday, Tuesday. Wala pa din akong panglasa hanggang ngayon. Tapos parang barado pa yung throat ko. May phlegm, ganun. Kakainom ko din kasi ng lamig. Yung ininom ko naman kasi malamig. Kaya hindi tayo gumagaling. Kakalag. Anyway, si Mia nasa daycare na kanina pa. And I was just cleaning, like, putting away stuff na kumakalat. And then when I get home, I was just putting away all the toys na nasa floor ni Mia. And yeah, putting away some stuff as well. Kasi para pagdating ko mamaya, after ng appointment ko, maglilinis ako ng bahay since it's Thursday. Thursday is our cleaning day. So, magva-vacuum lang naman ako, guys. And mop. And dusting, ganun. So, yeah. I have a midwife appointment today. So, yeah. I'll be 33 weeks tomorrow. So, I think every 2 weeks yung appointment ko sa kanila, sa midwife, dun sa hospital na kung saan ako manganganak talaga. So, yeah, I think I vlogged that day. I did my 32 weeks ultrasound nung isang araw. Kailan ba yun? Not yesterday kasi hindi ako nag-vlog kahapon. Tuesday. No, Tuesday. So, nag-ultrasound tayo. And I think today malalaman ko yung result. So, fingers crossed na everything's alright. Hoping for the placenta to be away from my cervix. Ito yung dadalhin ko kasi gusto ko to ilagay sa loob. So, diba? Kasha. Perfect. Kaya lang, hindi ko mazizipper. But that's okay. And after my midwife appointment, kailangan natin pumunta sa licensing. I have to drop the form. And, the plate number na kailangan namin i-surrender. Kasi we disposed one of our cars, guys. Since, ano na siya. Hindi na siya pwede gamitin. So, yeah, we have to return the plate. So, I think right now we have... How many cars do we have now? Hindi ko na... Madami na kaming, marami na kaming binenta na car namin. So, konti na lang natara. I think we have 5 cars left. Yung iba personal and yung iba is for our shop. Loan car siya. Oh, we're in the car. Let's go to my appointment, guys. Init today. Sa weather forecast, 32 degrees today. Diba? Super init. Summer na, guys. We're here, guys. So, balikan ko kayo mamaya after ng appointment. Ang init. Hello, people. Andito na tayo sa harap ng licensing. So we will drop off the plate number. So, sana hindi madaming pila dito kasi normally busy yung licensing. Ang daming nakapila. Hello, people. Kain tayo. Gumawa yung sister-in-law ko ng fruit salad. So, meron pang natira sa fridge. Kainin ko na, guys. How's our appointment sa midwife? It was actually good. So, placenta has moved, which is good. I think 35 mm siya away from our cervix. So, that's good. Yung hinihingi lang nila is 20-25. So, yung sa ultrasound natin, yung sonographer, he actually told me na short cervix na daw ako. So, he told me na he have to ring or call my doctor. So, pero sabi naman ng doctor, they're not concerned daw. So, ayun, sinabi din ng midwife ko kanina na okay lang. By this stage, I should have short cervix naman daw. Ilalagay ko na lang yung meaning ng short cervix dyan sa screen. But yeah, so they're not concerned about that. And So the midwife asked me if I still wanna go ahead sa VBAC kasi yun na nga yung plan. So I was like, yes. Pag wala naman kung ipigil, then go. And she gave me another information for women about vaginal birth after cesarean. Meron dito about labor and birth. So, ayan, some suggestions for encouraging spontaneous labor, deep squatting when you know the baby is in good position for birth. Ayun, the pressure of the baby's head on the cervix helps to release prostaglandins, which are good hormones for labor. Actually, when I was driving, guys, oh my gosh, di ko alam anong ginagawa niya, but like something's pushing down there. Like, masakit na masakit siya. It's like, no, I'm driving. Kakaloka. Sabi ko, wait lang, I'm driving. Like, sumasakit siya. So I was like, huh? But yeah, like something's pushing there. I was like, oh no. So, malapit na guys. Tapos, meron ding option na raspberry leaf tea from 3rd trimester. So, I guess I have to drink that. But, I don't know when. Sexual orgasm. The hormone oxytocin is released during orgasm and causes the uterus to contract. Yeah, so all these to get ready for labor and birth actually. So, may mga position, like, pushing positions like this. Ayan. Ayan, guys. So, yeah, I'm just gonna read that. And then, she asked me to sign this consent form. Ayan, for vaginal birth after previous cesarean section. So, I have to read this actually before my next appointment. My next appointment is in 3 weeks' time. So, I'll be 36 weeks by then. And yeah, I have to do this before another blood test before my 36 weeks appointment. So another blood test to check my iron, vitamin D, yung tinatawag nilang group B, streptococcus, tama ba yun? So group B, streptococcus, tama. When you give birth, there's like a bacteria around there in your V that there's a possibility na makuha siya ni baby pag like konti-konti lang naman, but yeah, they have to check the baby, of course, if the baby has it, kasi dun lalabas si baby, diba? So yeah, they have to check that. That's why I need to do this blood test and that swab. So yeah, I have to do that swab before my 36 weeks. Swab for GBS. Ayun, that's what it calls, swab for GBS. I have to do that. We're nearly there, guys! We're nearly there! Masakit na ang aking katawan! I just want the baby out as soon as possible, pero kailangan muna full term. Full term muna natin siya. So, this is the swab that I have to do. Ayan. So, she gave me a swab. And then, yung sa licensing, medyo matagal ako nag-wait doon. Kasi yung number ko is 60. Tapos, pagdating ko doon, yung nasa screen is 54. Tapos, syempre, madami pang nakapila sa ibang side and everything. So, wala naman siyang pila sa labas talaga. Kasi normally, pag pumunta ako doon, may pila sa labas ng licensing. So, this time, wala. Lahat na sa loob. So, hindi masyado madami. But then, I still have to wait for my number. And, yeah. I've just been waiting there for the whole time. So, I returned the plate. And I changed the ownership already. We have our new car actually. So Daddy got a new car, but it's only a second hand. So that's gonna be our family car when this baby comes out. So yeah, but still have to fix it. So I guess that's the perks of having a mechanic in the family. Like, you know, especially may shop kami, so they can just get a car so easy and fix it. So ayun, so yeah, but yeah, I'll show you guys when it's done. But they have to fix the engine, so they have to replace the engine of the car. I think that they got it so cheap kasi nga it has an engine problem. So yes, so yeah, we don't have to pay too much for this car. Alright, so now we have to clean the house. Mabilis lang naman to. Sakit ng likod ko. It's now 3:15 p.m. I already defrost the stuff that I need to cook later for dinner. Wala pa din ako masyadong nalalasahan. Pero may, like, this one, nalalasahan ko na matamis siya. Pero like, the full lasa talaga. Alright guys, tapos na tayo. Vacuum sa taas. And mop. So, nag-change din ako ng aming bed sheets and everything. So, dito na tayo sa baba. Inuna ko yung taas kasi may mga kalat si Mia doon na kinap niya kagabi. So, ayun, inuna ko yun doon. And then, yeah, we started vacuuming already. Na-vacuum ko na yung couch. So, yung floor na lang dito sa baba. And, na-arrange ko na din yung mga, na-declutter ko na din yung mga kalat ni Mia. So, yeah. Alright, time to pick up Mia, guys. So kanina pa tayo tapos mag-map and everything. Nag-ano lang ako, nag-upo-upo dito sa couch kasi masakit na yung likod ko, guys. So mga 10 minutes siguro ako nakaupo. Nagpo-phone lang. So pick up na natin si Mia. And for sure, pagdating niya, ang dami na naman kalat kasi open na naman niya yung mga pencils niya, yung kanyang drawing book and everything. So, yeah.
See it? Because somebody has a ladder there and he can see the surprise in the home, and next he can jump off, and next he will get wet.
Yeah. Okay, go na.
He will get actually wet and a fish and it will bite the leg out, and he'll be like, ah!
Dami niya pang sinasabi. Go sit down
and
and...
say, I'm a fishy.
Dali na, it's very hot.
And
Go.
I will know that the guy by to be surprised.
Sige na, put your seatbelt. How's your day? Good. Bad? Oh, why?
But Alana told me backpack.
Oh, Alana? It's okay. They just want to put it inside. So when mommy's here, mommy can get it. So you can play outside without your backpack. Otherwise, it'd be very heavy for you to bring like yesterday. Diba?
No, that's a real day.
Bad daw yung day niya. Kasi hindi siya pinayagan ng teacher na ilabas yung backpack. Kasi pagdating ko, naka-ready na yung backpack sa mat. So, we'll just get it. Kahapon naman, pick up ko siya yung suot na nila yung backpack. And I think she wanna do it again. Ay! Home, and she's eating brownies with a chopstick. Oh, diba? Ang daming arte. She said she had a bad day though at school. She will tell daddy daw. Oh, may pa bad day na siya, ha? Marunong na siya. Hello, people. Nahiwa ko na yung dapat hiwain, sibuyas tsaka bawang. And nakasalang na yung aking pan for the butter garlic chicken. Ano ba? Garlic butter prawns. Kinuha ko yung shell. So, konti lang yan. Kinuha ko yung shell para hindi na ako magbalat mamaya. Diba, tamad? Tapos ito, yung coconut water tsaka brown sugar. Ito yung gagawin kong sauce for our caramelized pork. Ayan na yung caramelized pork. Ayan. So, ito yung kay daddy. And para baunin niya din bukas. Wait, tomorrow's Friday, yeah. He has work. So, kailangan niya magbaon. So, I'm using this coconut water. And then the brown sugar right here. Ayan. Iniba ko siya. Before kasi, dyan ako naglalagay ng sugar and everything. Pero iniba ko siya this time. Para mas, mabilis. Ayan. So, hintayin ko lang siya na parang, tawag dito. Yung parang sticky ng konti. Ng konti lang naman. Kasi lulutuin pa din naman natin yung sauce dyan. So, parang kinumbine ko lang siya dito. Ayan. Actually, that tastes okay na. So, ito mainit na to guys. Wait lang.
Broken. It's broken, see?
Why? What did you do? Why is
I
that
just
broken?
tried rolling it and next it just broke. So, the old black on the soup pieces.
Sabi sa inyo, uupo na naman siya eh. Andyan na naman yung mga pens niya. Tignan nyo, may drawing siya oh. Diba? Pagdating talaga guys, makakain lang siya. Pagdating sa daycare, lagi niya ginagawa. Kakain lang siya ng merienda. Tapos uupo na siya dito. Hanap siya ng mga gagawin niya. Tingnan, drawing na naman. Okay, so luto na to ang ating garlic buttered prawns. Ayan. Konti lang guys. Mauubos to mamaya. And ito yung caramelized pork. Nadamihan ko pala ng sauce oh. Hindi ko yan mauubos. So tatapon ko din yan ng sobra. Ito inihintay ko na lang. Hindi ko malasahan yung niluluto ko. So di ko alam kung okay na yung alat or ang tamis. Hindi ko alam, guys. Ay, wala pa si daddy, so walang titikim. But, yeah. Hindi ko alam. Hindi ko din maamoy, so I don't know. Okay na ba to? Hintayin natin si daddy. Ayusin niya yan mamaya. Nilagyan ko na din ng black pepper. Ang bilis lang nito lutuin, tapos ang sarap-sarap. So, yung ginawa ko, hindi ko na napakita, obviously. Kasi, yung clip kanina, ko yun, ita-time-lapse ko yun. So, yung una ko nilagay, mantika, tapos nilagay ko yung madaming bawang, yung hiniwa ko ng very maliliit. So, ganyan lang siya kalaki, yung bawang, yung pinakita ko kanina. And then, pag na siya ng konti, naluto na yung bawang, lagay mo yung pork mo. Yung pork na ginamit ko is soft bone. Yan, kasi gusto ni daddy yung ganito. Pwede din yung may laman-laman kung gusto nyo. Ito kasi may bone siya na very soft. Yun yung gusto ni daddy. And then, hintayin nyo lang na gisahin nyo lang yung yung pork hanggang mag-brown. Tapos, ilagay nyo yung sauce na ginawa ko dito. Yung sauce ng coconut water and then brown sugar. So, yung nilagay ko is 1/2 cup of coconut water and 1/2 cup of brown sugar. Tapos, pag nag-brown na to, ilalagay mo yung sauce dito. And then, lagyan mo siya ng i-mix mo muna sa pork yung sauce. Tapos, i-boil mo lang ng konti. Tapos, maglalagay ka ng fish sauce. Ikaw na bahala sa lasa. Masarap siya, guys. Siya? Vietnamese dish. Caramelized pork. Ganon ang tawag. Baya, di ko malasahan. Ito masarap. Nalasahan ko to eh. Pero, di ko din sure kung okay na ba yung tamis, yung lasa. Anyway, are you giving me something? What is it? Something I like.
Open it.
Two of them?
Yeah, open it. Open it. Might be happy.
What?
Might be happy. And you have to check at the back.
I have to check the back.
Yeah.
Wait. What's in here? Which one? This one first?
Yeah.
Did you make it for me?
Yeah.
Which one in the back?
I did it last.
Wow! You did this
Look
last.
at the back.
You did this last night. Wow, so pretty. Can I show people?
Yeah.
Alright, people. This is what Mia made. Ayan, kagabi, si Daddy yung gumawa niyan. Niyan, tsaka niyan. Siya yung bahay and the people, the heart, the sun, the cloud, tsaka yung mga name siya yung nag-write. So, Mia, Venice Lee, Mary, Tree, V, Pochi. Ayan. Ang ganda. Tapos sa likod, this is Dad, Mommy, Mia, Daddy, baby brother, and the rainbow, and the cloud, and the sun.
And next you have to open the next one.
The next one.
And you also have to check another back.
Okay. Wow, this is what you did today. So you copy what you did last night. Is this your house? Wow.
Open here.
Wow. Oh, the same.
And then looks so pretty.
Ito, parang kinapi niya lang yung ginawa nila kagabi ni Daddy. So, ito yung kanyang pa-mountain, grass, the people, yung house niya lumiit. And that's her name. Ano to? What's this? Mia, what's this?
That's a tree.
A
It's
tree.
banana tree.
A banana tree. Look. Wow. And what's the brown one at the top?
It's the sky.
The sky? Okay. Sky daw to. Ayan, cloud. She's so good. And then the same thing at the back. The rainbow. Mommy, Daddy, Mia, and the baby brother. Ayan, may pangalan din niya. O, diba? Inulit niya lang, guys. Why are you watching on my phone now? Because?
One.
Kain tayo.
Mama, so here's the listen to the video. Let me watch video more. Again.
Ito yung leftover from last night. Adobo and sayote. Mia got the adobo. Daddy will get the cabbage here. Kain. And drink mango juice. Hello, people. Yung mag-ama ko naliligo na. After nila, maliligo ako. Eating my, pulburon. Dami ko pang natira, guys. Yung binili pa natin to sa, Filipino shop. Naubos na yung ube, cookies and cream. Kasi si Mia, yun yung paborito niya. Cookies and cream and yung isang flavor. Ano nga yung isa? Nakalimutan ko. Pinipig. Pinipig ba yun? Yeah. It's really good. So yung natira, classic and cashew. So yung naubos ko na. Ang ingay ng dalawa. Oh gosh. Sakit ang likod ko. Sakit ang legs ko. Yun yung nakalimutan ko itanong sa midwife kung bakit sumasakit yung butt cheek ko. Only in the right side. So I'm just gonna remove my skincare tapos na sila, guys. Ako hindi pa tapos dito. So, bilisan natin. So anyway, after nito, I'm just gonna rest. And yeah, that's everything for our vlog today. Ingay-ingay yung dalawa, no? Anyway, thank you guys for watching. I hope to see you guys on our next vlog.